guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be making another one of these photo sublimation pillows. It is the Sequin pillows. Sorry, I'm trying to record and do stuff at the same time. Anyway, these Sequin pillows, you know, one side is the sequence color and then it goes back to the photo. So this is the first one I did yesterday, which is a heart version. Yeah, it came out cute. So I'll be doing another one today on video for you guys. As always, using my sublimation printer, a sub 11x17 paper. The pillows I actually ordered off Amazon, and they also have them in my local t-shirt shop. So again, my printer only goes to 11x17, so I'm going to try to do 2 sheets. The pillows are, I believe, 18x18 or 16x16, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Excuse me while I move the camera over a little. All right, as always, I have double printed my image. Again, this is the first time and I probably did it a little wrong. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press my pillow. I'm over here getting my image together. Now, I did print it wrong. All right, so this is how my image looks. Granted, it's still a little smaller, but for the sake of my ink, it'll be okay for the example. So let me get it set up and I'll be right back. All right, so first, lay on my paper. That. And then I'm gonna lay my design flat so I can tape it. I prefer the zipper at the bottom. I think it's just easier like that, but don't pay too much attention to my little horrible taping. I'm glad I actually flipped it over. So as you can see, it's not going to cover the entire thing because again, I did it wrong. I printed my print wrong. But it will be in the middle for the most part. All right, so now we're ready to go. I'm going to, should be on here. All right, press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And when it's done, we'll be back. All right, so timer just went off. And I'm ready to see what it looks like, guys. All right, the camera died in the middle of me recording the last clip. But anyways, guys, I just peeled it and it came out so good. Look at the color release. Again, for the colors, I do use Hippo ink for sublimation. Y'all, it came out so good. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna stuff it, and then once I get it filled with the stuffer, I'll come back and show you guys the outcome. All right, and this is the final project with it stuffed. And again, came out so beautifully. So yeah, if you like it and you want to give it a try it out. But it's a great addition if you do customs, to be added to your services.